Can you walk?
I want him to hug.
Oh, you want him to hug?
Yeah.
Are you hugging your brother?
He doesn't want to hug.
Okay, now be silly. Make him giggle like you were doing.
Baby, come here. Come here,
Hold his
baby.
hand. No. Here, let's walk. Ready? Oh, oops. Okay, ready? Come on. Make him giggle.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey. No, no. Okay, make him giggle.
Whoa! Baby, come here! Come here!
Go.
Come here!
Benny, get up and do your dance. Hurry.
Whoa!
Do it again.
Whoa!